Good morning sa tanan, this is Kuya Nico. Kaadlawon inton karon Merry Christmas sa tanan. Mag-share lang gamay sa Kuya Nico about philosophy na punta karon, no? Unsa man ning philosophy? Philosophy by its very definition is a science, a study that deals or concerns with the ultimate cause of reality with the aid of human reason alone. So it's very amazing to reflect nga philosophy is a study, a science that its main concern is knowing, discovering, understanding the ultimate or the greatest reason of reality around us, not only in the mind but the agreement of the mind to the things outside of the mind. That's quoting Saint Thomas Aquinas. No? So every day of our life, our existence here on earth, we encounter reality in different experiences that we have. So what we should do with those experiences as we encounter reality? We should be able to see and reflect that reality, either material, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, or social realities that we encounter, philosophy would somehow help us to dig, to reflect what is the ultimate, or who is the ultimate or the greatest cause of these realities that we have. So therefore, let's try to use our mind, our intellectual gift and powers to see beyond this material or any realities that we experience right now. No? So try to go beyond, find the ultimate reason, cause of the things that we experience. Thank you, and God bless.